Hello, this is Hugh from TRT LED Display Company. Now I would like to introduce our new product, which is outdoor fine pitch product. The pitch is 2.5, give you ultra brightness in 400,000 nit, 4,000 nit for it's been outdoor and black SMD, and it's almost the smallest outdoor pitch. It is good for some like poster outdoor and the movable and perfect image. And you can have the 4G connection and also the mobile network and also the Wi-Fi, and also we provide the cloud server which you can manage your screen all over the world. Yeah, and you want to learn more information, please visit our website www.trdled.com. Thank you.